In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add and manage comments in a Microsoft Word document. This feature can be incredibly useful for collaborative projects, allowing multiple users to provide feedback directly within the file. This method ensures that your document editing process remains smooth, organized, and dynamic. First, let's begin by navigating to your Microsoft Word file. Open up the document you want to work on and make sure it's the correct version where you'd like to add some comments. If this is a shared document, ensure you have the necessary permissions to edit it. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you will find an array of tabs: Home, Insert, Design, Layout, and so on. For this task, we're going to focus on the Review tab. This tab is dedicated to tools that help you proofread, comment, and track changes in your document, among other features. When you click on the Review tab, you'll see various options. Look for the New Comment button. It might look like a speech bubble or a note icon, and clicking it allows you to insert comments at any point in your document. Comments serve as a great way to highlight sections of text that require attention or discussion, helping teams and collaborators communicate effectively within the document. Now it's time to add your comment. Simply click to position your cursor where you want the comment to be associated. Then hit the New Comment button. A comment box will appear, usually in the right margin of the document. Here, you can type your feedback, notes, or queries. Sometimes you may want to directly address a specific person in your comment, especially if you are collaborating with others on this document. Microsoft Word allows for this through a mentioning feature. To mention someone, start by typing the @ symbol, followed immediately by their name. If they have access to the document, Word will automatically suggest names from the document's shared contacts. Select the correct person, and this notifies them that there's a comment requiring their attention. After you've added your comment, you can go back and edit it by clicking directly into the comment box. If you feel that a comment is no longer needed or was added by mistake, you can easily delete it. Simply right-click on the comment and you'll find the Delete option. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to insert and manage comments in a Microsoft Word document. This straightforward yet powerful tool can dramatically enhance the way feedback is communicated within your team projects, eliminating the need for endless email threads or separate note-taking documents. Embrace these features to keep your document workflow efficient and organized. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating.